DeepSeek R1, the AI that's shocking the world. Do you know about the AI bombshell that has just dropped? Well, I'm not being dramatic. As we see, the world of artificial intelligence has been shaken to its core.
Low-cost Chinese artificial intelligence model overtook the U.S. giant.
Why a Chinese company DeepSeek says
The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries.
A new AI chatbot, DeepSeek R1, launched by a Chinese research lab on January 20th, 2025, is not just another AI model, it's a game changer. In just a few days, it has surpassed industry giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta in efficiency and costs, making it one of the most disruptive AI releases ever. The response has been staggering. DeepSeek R1 quickly became the most downloaded app in both the United States and India, proving that its impact is not limited to China. Users are calling it faster, more accurate, and cheaper to operate than leading AI models. But what exactly makes DeepSeek R1 so powerful? How did it achieve such groundbreaking efficiency? And why is it already facing controversy? Let's break down what makes DeepSeek R1 the AI model that's forcing the biggest players in tech to rethink everything. DeepSeek R1's unmatched performance. The AI industry has long been dominated by companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta, each investing billions of dollars into developing large-scale language models. OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and Meta's Llama models have been at the forefront, setting the bar for AI capabilities. But DeepSeek R1 has arrived and quickly shattered expectations. Early benchmarks have shown that DeepSeek R1 performs on par with, or even better than, these established models while using significantly fewer resources. This efficiency is a major breakthrough. AI models typically require enormous amounts of computational power, making them expensive to run and limiting their accessibility. DeepSeek R1 challenges this norm by offering high-level performance with lower operational costs, making advanced AI more affordable and scalable. Many users have reported that DeepSeek R1 responds faster than its competitors and provides more relevant answers across a variety of topics. While models like GPT-4 and Gemini have been known for their depth and contextual understanding, DeepSeek R1 has managed to match them while operating at a fraction of the cost.
Emergence of DeepSeek now putting pressure on the U.S. tech names.
it's super impressive. I think we should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
DeepSeek just taught us that the answer is less than people thought. You don't need as much cash as we once thought.
Can you imagine how annoying it is to see you build your house for $50 million and a guy next door builds the same house for $700,000? That's got to be frustrating.
It should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused.
That necessity is the mother of invention.
This efficiency has major implications. AI technology has traditionally been controlled by companies with access to vast computing resources. If DeepSeek's approach proves to be scalable, it could mean a fundamental shift in how AI is developed, potentially lowering the barrier for innovation. How DeepSeek R1 achieved breakthrough efficiency. The secret behind DeepSeek R1's success lies in its innovative training process. Unlike traditional AI models that require massive datasets and high-performance computing clusters, DeepSeek R1's developers have found a way to optimize the training process. By using a more refined dataset and advanced training techniques, they have created a model that achieves high accuracy without needing the extreme amounts of data and energy that competitors rely on. This means that while OpenAI and Google are pouring millions of dollars into cloud computing and high-end hardware, DeepSeek R1 operates in a more resource-efficient manner. One of the key innovations behind DeepSeek R1 is its ability to learn from smaller but more meaningful datasets. Instead of relying on brute force learning, where AI models process enormous amounts of raw data, DeepSeek's developers have focused on training it in a way that prioritizes relevant information. This method significantly reduces the computing power needed while still maintaining high-quality responses. Another factor contributing to its efficiency is the way it processes queries. Unlike traditional models that generate responses by predicting word sequences based on probability, DeepSeek R1 integrates a more advanced retrieval-based approach. This allows it to fetch relevant information faster and generate more contextually appropriate answers. The rapid global adoption of DeepSeek R1. When DeepSeek R1 was released on January 20th, 2025, no one expected it to take off as quickly as it did. Within a week, it had become the most downloaded app in both the United States and India, two of the largest digital markets in the world. The reason behind this explosive growth is simple. DeepSeek R1 is free to use and offers features that many paid AI models charge for. Users who have been relying on OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's AI services quickly turned to DeepSeek R1 to see if it could match their performance.
Tech company NVIDIA lost almost $600 billion in market value yesterday, the biggest one-day loss for a company in stock market history. Now, the reason was a Chinese AI company called DeepSeek, which is Apple's most downloaded app yesterday.
Many were surprised to find that it not only matched their expectations, but in some cases exceeded them. In tech forums and social media discussions, users praised DeepSeek R1 for its speed and accuracy. Developers found its API easy to integrate into various applications, further increasing its adoption rate. Content creators, programmers, and researchers started using it as an alternative to GPT-based tools, appreciating its efficiency and responsiveness. But the success of DeepSeek R1 also raised an important question. What does this mean for the dominance of Western AI companies? DeepSeek's challenge to US tech giants. For years, AI innovation has been led by American companies, with OpenAI, Google, and Meta at the forefront. These companies have set the standards for AI development, and their models have been widely used across industries. DeepSeek R1's success challenges the status quo, proving that high-level AI innovation is not exclusive to Silicon Valley. The AI race has officially gone global, and DeepSeek R1 has positioned itself as a serious competitor. The fact that a Chinese research lab was able to develop an AI model that not only competes with but outperforms the best Western models has raised eyebrows. This shift could have major geopolitical implications. The AI industry is closely tied to national security, economic power, and technological leadership. With DeepSeek R1 making headlines worldwide, it's clear that China is not just catching up in AI development, it's now leading in key areas. The impact of DeepSeek R1 on the job market and AI ethics. The rise of DeepSeek R1 is not just a technological breakthrough, it's also raising critical questions about the future of work and AI's role in society. With AI becoming more efficient and cost-effective, industries that rely on automation are bound to undergo significant changes. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. AI models like DeepSeek R1 are capable of performing tasks that were once reserved for humans, such as content writing, customer service, data analysis, and even software development. Many businesses are now looking at AI not just as a tool, but as a potential replacement for human labor in certain roles. Take content writing, for example. AI-generated text is becoming more sophisticated, with DeepSeek R1 demonstrating an ability to produce well-structured, contextually relevant, and coherent responses. Writers, journalists, and bloggers are starting to wonder whether their jobs are at risk. While AI still lacks the deep creativity and emotional intelligence of human writers, it is quickly improving. Controversies surrounding DeepSeek R1. Despite its success, DeepSeek R1 has not been without controversy. Almost immediately after its release, concerns emerged regarding its handling of sensitive topics. Some users noticed that DeepSeek R1 carefully avoids certain discussions, leading to speculation that it has built-in restrictions similar to other AI models. However, critics argue that the level of topic avoidance is more significant than what is seen in Western models, raising concerns about bias and censorship. Another major controversy involves allegations of data theft. Some industry insiders have claimed that DeepSeek R1 may have been trained on data obtained from competitors, including OpenAI and Google. While there is no concrete evidence to support these claims yet, the accusations have fueled debates about data ethics in AI development. But perhaps the most surprising aspect of DeepSeek R1 is that it is open source. Unlike OpenAI's GPT models, which are kept under strict control, DeepSeek R1 allows developers to access its architecture and modify it. This move has been seen as both a strategic decision and a challenge to the closed-source approach taken by most major AI companies. What's next for DeepSeek R1 and AI's future? The release of DeepSeek R1 has opened a new chapter in AI development. Its efficiency and performance have set a new benchmark, proving that AI can be both powerful and cost-effective. But the bigger story here is the impact it will have on the global AI race. With the success of DeepSeek R1, we can expect to see more companies exploring alternative AI training methods. The focus will likely shift toward making AI models more efficient, rather than simply making them larger. This could lead to a new era where AI is more accessible and integrated into everyday applications, without the need for massive computational resources. Tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta will now have to respond. Will they develop new models that can match DeepSeek R1's efficiency? Or will they stick to their current strategies, relying on massive computational power? The competition is heating up, and the next few years will be critical in shaping the future of AI. DeepSeek R1 has proven that innovation is not limited to a handful of companies. It has shown that with the right approach, even smaller research labs can produce world-class AI. This is just the beginning of a new era in artificial intelligence. Is DeepSeek R1 the future of AI? Or will the tech giants fight back with even more advanced models? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.